Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Danish. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to reduce weight by easy method. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. There are many ways to reduce weight by 10 points. Here are a few tips. Eat a healthy diet. This means eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It also means limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Get enough sleep. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Manage stress. Stress can lead to unhealthy eating habits and weight gain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. Be patient. Losing weight takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep at it and you will eventually reach your goals. Here are some additional tips that may help you lose weight by 10 points. Set realistic goals. Don't try to lose too much weight too quickly. Aim for a healthy weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week. Track your progress. Keeping track of your weight, food intake, and exercise can help you stay motivated and on track. Find a support system. Having friends or family members who are also trying to lose weight can be a great source of support. Don't give up. Losing weight is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but if you keep at it, you will eventually reach your goals. It is important to note that these are just general tips. If you have any health concerns, be sure to talk to your doctor before starting any weight loss plan.